gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Let me ask you a question. Who's got some goodies? Gwenny's got some goodies. That's right, on my recent trip to Harrods with the lovely, lovely Claire, channel linked down below, I did pick up a few goodies for myself. I have got some Fendi and I have got some Gucci. I also picked up, oh, what's this? A little vitamin C. This little thing from Hermès. But I'm going to keep this for a separate video because I really want to go into more in-depth detail about the whole experience, what I was after, what I wanted to see, whether I'm going on a journey, or all of that kind of stuff. So this is going to come soon in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I've got some Fendi goodies and I have got something from Gucci to share with you as well. If you haven't already seen that vlog, I will have that linked down below along with Claire's channel. We're going to start with the Fendi stuff. We spent most of our time in Fendi, truth be told. Valentina looked after us really, really well. She looked after us like we were queens. She brought out the champagne, some water. I didn't pay for anything in here. No, I did not pay for anything in here. One of these things is mine already. It's a fan. We will come back to fan later. Yes, Valentina looked after us incredibly well. I had also taken in something for repair. It was the crossbody chain from my Fendi Nano Baguette, which broke. I personally don't like the little toggle slidey uppy downy version, so I very, very rarely use that. I think I've used it once or twice, but I did go to use it for date night a few weeks ago, and I went to clip on the lobster claw and the lobster claw went and it just disintegrated in front of my very eyes. So I took that in to Valentina and she said she would see what she could do about it. She put it in for repair. Valentina called me yesterday and said, I've managed to get you a replacement. I'm going to ship it out to you. So that should be arriving tomorrow. So thank you again, Valentina. Friday morning and my replacement chain strap has arrived. Thank you again, Valentina. You're amazing. Best client advisor in the world. Fendi, Harrods. If you're not new to my channel, you know the drill. Valentina, Fendi, Harrods. That's my holy trinity. And if you are new to my channel, then hiya, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I got a bit hot, I got a bit giddy, I got my fan out to fan myself down, and Valentina popped out and she said, I've got gifts for you. So she gave us each one of these little Fendi fans, a little cutie. It's got Fendi stamped on the side there, and when you open it up it's this really gorgeous yellow and really light, really milky coffee, like a latte type thing. Anyway, this is absolutely delightful. I really liked the silk trousers that matched this design, but that's probably a bit bougie, isn't it? Buying silk trousers to match your freebie little fan. So that was really, really wonderful and lovely, and thank you very much, Valentina. We tried the perfumes. The perfumes were really cool, really, really nice. Wildly different from each other. Launching 7 new perfumes in one go, there is the propensity or the possibility that it could all end up a little bit samey, and it didn't. So we tried on and we got a little sample of our favourite in this lovely little dust bag. Now, because the launch is brand new, Valentina had to get everything signed off by her manager to give us a little tester. And Valentina will kill me because I'm not going to be able to pronounce it correctly. It looks like perche no, but it's perche no, which means why not? So I'm just going to stick with calling it why not. Perfumes were lovely. Really, really liked the little dinky perfume case for the miniature perfume to go in as well. This is precious stuff. It's £260 a bottle, so I shall be using this sparingly while I decide if it's one that I want to go for. Valentina also gave both me and Claire a little box for our earrings, because both of our earrings, Claire's got the O-lock ones, I've got the hoopy ones. Both of them came in a really massive box, so they don't do tiny dust bags for jewellery, but Valentina gave us each a little box just to, you know, keep the earrings nice but without carrying them around in a massive case. And then we were trying on some sunglasses, and one of my favourite things about Fendi sunglasses is the case they come in, because they come with a little clip. So I said to Valentina, I don't need sunglasses at the moment, but I would love to have one of those sunglasses cases. Is there any way I can buy one on its own without the sunglasses? And she said, no, but I will give you one. So she gave me one of the cases. Brought it out the wrong way round. It's these padded cases, slip cases, really soft. Listen to that. Really nice and soft. You've got Fendi stamped on there. It's a drawstring closure. Inside is this kind of smooth kind of fabric. But the key thing for me is having this little Fendi clasp, because I like my mini baguettes, but my mini baguettes, if I want to carry my sunnies with me, they take up a lot of room in my mini baguettes, and I can't just wear my sunnies on top of my head, because I also wear glasses. So if I'm wearing my sunnies, the glasses have to go somewhere, so they go in my glasses case, they go in the bag, and they take up all the room. So now I can just clip this on. Woohoo! I am so happy about that. I am beyond excited and thrilled that Valentina wouldn't take my money. So that was very cool. In terms of Fendi taking my money, I was hugely tempted by the multicoloured baguette. I was really sorely tempted by that one. Now, I know Dale doesn't particularly like that one because it's so structured, but that's the reason that I like those multicoloured embroidered ones in the regular size, because I don't like the real slouch that you get with the Napa leather on the regular size baguettes. It's just too slouchy for me. So I was very tempted by that one, and I checked and the fan would fit in it. Very tempted indeed. However, there was a reason that I wanted to go into Harrods, specifically to Gucci. And my recent video on the summer handbags that I got really excited over, and I haven't been excited over much. It's all been a bit dull and a bit boring and a bit muted colours. But there were a couple in particular that stood out to me, and I wanted to go and see them in person, and I got to go and see them in person. And can we just have a moment here for the packaging? This is a new packaging. Personally, I liked the green, very textured, ornate packaging, but I understand you, creative director and all that, you want to put your stamp on things. So we've got this deep burgundy, and I've got the box out the wrong way around. Okay, so it looks like it's a little flip box. Very excited to get into this. Most of what I wanted to see had been sold out, but this particular piece wasn't sold out, so I'm going to quit my jibber jabber. Let's get into it. And I will also tell you, while I'm unboxing this, that I didn't pay full price for this. Oh no, because I am a Harrods Rewards member. Yeah, remember that? I keep on banging on about that, and I do it for a good reason, because I had accumulated 350 great British pounds. Yeah. To spend on something I wanted to spend it on, and I chose this, so I didn't pay full price for this. As always, there will be a link to the Harrods Rewards sign up in my description. Do yourself a favour. Not only can you get money off, but you can accumulate it. It's not just frippery and luxury frippery that you need to spend your money on. Our TV blew up a couple of nights ago while we were watching it. It just went bing, doink, big line went up the middle, and every time we tried to switch it on, it went bing, boom, big line went up the middle. So it finally reached the end of its tether. I don't blame it. It was 7 years old. We'd had trouble with it for years. Anyway, finally gave up the ghost. The lion chose the TV he wanted. He did some investigation work. We looked on the Harrods website. They didn't show any of them on the Harrods website, but I knew they had TVs because I've walked through their technology department. So I phoned customer services, got put through to the Samsung department. They said yes, we had a special discount already applied. I was able to hand over my rewards card number. They gave us points for that, and we got free delivery next day. It arrived yesterday. We watched it last night. It's absolutely perfecto. So yeah, do yourself a favour, sign up for the Harrods Rewards. Very nice box, nice bit of Gucci tissue paper. We still have the kind of jute type, whatchamacallit, dust bag. Does this give anyone any ideas? Does the size give it away a little bit? They did show us some really fabulous pieces. But the one that caught my eye out of all of the summer collections of everything, Spring Summer 24, and what came home with me is covered in cardboard right now. I'm so happy, so happy. Right, oh, it's difficult to do this with all the cardboard and stuff on it. Wow, they packaged it up well for the journey home. Bear with me, caller. Right, I've got all the packaging off it. It's like unwrapping a coach bag, honestly. This is the Marmite in small. Marmite. Well, I guess maybe it is a little bit Marmite. People either love it or hate it. This is the Gucci Marmont in small. This is the flat bag. We have no rear slip pocket and we have no feet. But we have got this gorgeous yellow, lilac and mint green chevron. Let's give it the patented Autumn Beckman spin. There, look at her. The strap is one that you can double up or just wear long. You can wear it long as a shoulder strap. The drop as a shoulder full length is 55 centimeters, which would give you a full length strap of 110. I personally feel more comfortable with 120 centimeter crossbody, but I can crossbody this. It's at the height of where I would want it to hit, but I can crossbody it. There's the strap. We've got this sort of leather trim. This is in straw effect raffia, and with the flap Marmonts, you've got a little press button here to unlock it, and then the lining is this tan coloured leather. Matching the trim, we've got this gorgeous, gorgeous lilac interior. Is that not beautiful? You've got a little Gucci made in Italy stamp there, and then you've got a slip pocket which has got some care cards and things in it. When I was playing around in the boutique, I wanted to test this clasp because I figured this might be a bit tricky. Like my Louis Vuitton Papillon trunk has got the S-lock, and I do find it a little bit, if it's not full, and that's epi leather, so that's pretty solid stuff. Easy peasy, easy peasy. There's nothing in here at the moment, so there's nothing pressing against it. That was so easy to do. Now, I wore a very plain outfit today to do this unboxing because I wanted to share a couple of mod shots and show just how amazing this bag looks on against a really, really plain background. So I'm tonal, I'm wearing green, and I've got my my palazzo pants on. So very, very simple outfit of the day. Green t-shirt, jeans, standout bag. But yeah, I'm not going to do a what fits because the main thing about what would fit is my fan, and I will show you that, but you would get an idea that pretty much everything else would fit in there. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to know that a card holder and a key pouch and all of that kind of gubbins is going to go in there. I managed to buy it just in time for the heavens to open and for it to rain solidly for the last week, almost week. The sun's come out again today. I'm going to try and use this for date night tonight. I'll let you know how I get on. But I'm very, very excited. I am looking forward to taking this to New York as well. And she can be the star of my outfit of the day show in New York. But just one more look at that gorgeous colourway. Yeah, just fabulous. I am so, so happy. Let me know if I picked what you thought I was going to pick, or if you thought I should have gone for the Fendi Multicoloured Baguette instead. Let me know all of your thoughts in the comment section down below. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.